Hi guys, we are in Wisconsin at Jeff's sister and brother-in-law's place, and she's got a broken shoulder, so I'm gonna make my first rhubarb pie with her help. Okay guys, we are gonna make rhubarb pie.
What are we doing?
And that's just how we do it, huh?
That's how I do it.
How much do we need for a pie?
She said several hands full. She wants to make some sauce. Now this will give that young stuff a chance to grow too. Yeah, let's get this one too.
You look like you've done that a few times.
Twice.
Okay, got them all cut up. Have Cindy here telling me what to do. We have the sugar. What are we doing with it?
Put half of that in here.
And- okay.
You can pick
Okay, we got a cup of sugar. Is that a whole cup?
it.
Just sprinkle it in.
Dump it in.
Okay.
Put about. Wait, I'm putting the sugar in that one until we get the pie made.
Okay.
Now you got to get the tapioca. Dump that in there, all of it.
The woman does not measure.
No.
Kind of reminds me of Barb. Okay. Wait. Just a dab of salt. And a dab of salt over it. We're going to do a sauce with that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Stir it up. Now we're going for
The lid went shut.
a dab of cinnamon. Okay. Stirred up now.
Yep.
All right, I'm stirring. Okay, so now we're going to take this, okay, pre-made pie crust because Cindy's broken.
Yeah.
Let me pour it in. 2 slabs of butter on top.
And cut a slab in for air hole.
Oh, we're going to use a bottom crust for a top crust. Okay, we put 2 pie shells together. And we're going to sprinkle a little sugar on top. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. It's not the prettiest pie you've ever seen, but it's not all about looks. We all we all know that.
Bob's floor dirty.
I will clean Bob's floor. It's not all about looks. It's about what's inside, right?
Yeah. Now don't burn yourself.
Which the bottom one?
The bottom one. And you do that for 15 minutes on 400.
I guess I should clean up the mess now.
Well, wait a minute. I'll go down and see that pie shell.
Oh, you don't need to.
I can hang on.
Oh my gosh. You do.
I just shut it off. It's on bake. Now I gotta set it downward to 375. Whoops.
So it was on 400 for 15. Now it's going down to 375 for an hour.
Just about. Until it's brown, I do. I guess.
Till it's brown.
Maybe an hour, maybe.
Cook it until it's brown. Okay, and then there's rhubarb sauce on the stove.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back to what we're doing. Oh yeah, pie is done.
If you don't want to go.
We've been busy. Chocolate chip pecan cookies. Look at that smiling face. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care.